Guys, I found this guy with no username, like literally, just blank. And the ID is 111238878. I'll leave the link in the description. So I don't know how he got no username, but it's just all blank. See this, guys? I'm not kidding. Look at this. I refreshed the page and it still says Blank's friends. How? Like, how? Guys, like, this guy's name was just this. Just like this. I think his name was just like this. But there's no reasons for it. So, this guy must have hacked to get a space in Blank's. Hey, my friend's name is Friends or something. So, I'll leave the link in the description. Goodbye. This is so weird. Goodbye, YouTube.